The future of sedans is here. Introducing the Toyota Corolla 2027 Altis Grande 1.8L, a next-generation luxury sedan designed for power, comfort, technology, and performance. This is not just an upgrade. This is a complete transformation of the Corolla legacy. Today, we explore the exterior, interior, engine, fuel average, technology, modifications, and future vision of the upcoming Toyota Corolla 2027 model. Let's begin the future journey. The Toyota Corolla 2027 comes with a bold futuristic design language. Sharp LED matrix headlights, aggressive front grille, aerodynamic body lines, and a wide sporty stance give it a premium luxury look. The outlook is modern, dynamic, and powerful. This car doesn't just look good, it looks expensive. From every angle, the design reflects evolution and innovation. Inside the Corolla 2027, luxury meets technology. Digital cockpit, large infotainment display, ambient lighting, premium leather seats, soft-touch materials, and smart controls transform the cabin into a luxury experience. The interior is designed for comfort, silence, and class. This is not a normal sedan interior. This is a premium executive class cabin. The 1.8-liter engine in the Altis Grande 2027 model is built for smooth performance and intelligent efficiency. Improved torque delivery, refined power output, and better throttle response make it perfect for both city and highway driving. This engine focuses on reliability, long life, and balanced performance. Toyota has optimized the fuel system for better mileage. Smart fuel injection, improved combustion system, and lightweight materials deliver better fuel average without compromising performance. The Corolla 2027 is built for power plus economy together. Now let's talk about modifications. Performance air intake systems, upgraded exhaust systems, ECU tuning, performance filters, turbo optimization, lightweight alloy wheels, sport suspension, brake upgrades, and aerodynamic body kits can transform this car into a street performance machine. Smart modifications make the Corolla not just stylish, but powerful and aggressive. Advanced driver assistance systems, AI-based safety features, smart sensors, adaptive cruise control, digital monitoring systems, and intelligent infotainment make the Corolla 2027 a smart sedan of the future. This car doesn't just drive, it thinks. The Toyota Corolla 2027 represents the future of affordable luxury sedans. A car that is smart, efficient, powerful, stylish, and reliable. It is built for the new generation. This is not just a Corolla, this is the future identity of Toyota sedans. So this is the Toyota Corolla 2027 Altis Grande 1.8L, a perfect blend of luxury, power, technology, and future design. If you love future cars, premium sedans, and automotive innovation, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Would you buy the Toyota Corolla 2027? Welcome to the future of driving.